News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth. The Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, AIB, last night released its 15-page preliminary report of the investigation into the fatal Air India plane crash that claimed 260 lives in Ahmedabad on 12th of last month. The report, which examined the sequence of events and engine behavior leading up to the crash of Air India flight AI-171 involving a Boeing 787-8 aircraft, revealed that the fuel to the engines of the plane was cut off. The AAIB in its report said, within seconds of liftoff, both engine fuel control switches of the aircraft transitioned from run to cut off position one after another with a time gap of 0.1 seconds and turned off, resulting in devastating air tragedy. According to the initial probe report, one of the pilots can be heard on the cockpit voice recorder asking the other why he switched off the fuel supply to engines, to which the other pilot responded by saying that he did not. The AIB said, the fuel control switches were switched on later, but the deceleration in one of the engines could not be stopped. As per the report, the flight lasted around 30 seconds between liftoff and crash. The report mentioned that both pilots had an adequate rest period before the flight. The report noted that there are no recommended actions to operators of Boeing 787-8 and GEnx-1B engine operators at this stage of the probe. It added that fuel samples taken from the bowsers and tanks used to refuel the aircraft were tested at the Directorate General of Civil Aviation (DGCA) lab and were found satisfactory. AIB said, the investigation team will review additional evidence being sought from stakeholders. The Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner crashed into the hostel premises of BJ Medical College on the outskirts of the airport at Ahmedabad in Gujarat, killing 241 of the 242 people on board. One passenger survived, while 19 people on the ground also lost their lives. The plane was en route to London Gatwick from Ahmedabad. Meanwhile, Air India today said it is working closely with regulators and other stakeholders and will continue to cooperate with the authorities in the ongoing probe into the Ahmedabad plane crash.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.